Tim, we're here with TLC Pressure Washing. We're out in Murfreesboro, Tennessee, in this beautiful back. And we do this twice a year. This is our spring cleaning, and as you can see, lots of dust, dirt, pollens. But this TV is one of the ones that we cover. We cover the cameras, and really I do this by hand. I do this area by hand, so that way we don't have to, we can get very small amounts of water near it. And you see how dirty it was. That was white. And that's just like from this frame to that frame, and I gotta tape that one down. I got some tape because we got some wind come in, so I do it about 2 laps down, then I can rinse here down and blow all this out. But I want that to be protected. I want that camera up there to be protected, so that's what we're doing. Let me get some tape.